What the hell is this?
You do this! You do this!
What the hell are you doing? You sniffing coke?
Just give me.
What the hell? No. What the hell is this? He's selling
Just leave me alone and go about your business now.
coke. You're really out of your mind. You know what? I'm gonna leave you the way just you are, because you don't want to listen to what I'm saying. I'm gone. I'm glad you're home. What you got? So you see why it's the difference now, just to stay away from that shit now, right?
My head is clear and I think I'm gonna try to do something with my life, sort out my career and all of that, and just try to put my life on track. I'm tired.
Oh my gosh, I just hope that you don't go back to this stage, and I just hope everything works out for the better. And please just hold up your head from no one, because you're a nice person. We know each other over years and we had a kid together, and just please do understand yourself, alright?
I try.
Alright, so take care, alright? I'm going this direction, alright love?
Alright, bye. I'm looking forward to see you again.
Alright babe.
Congratulations. You're officially your orphanage.
Yes, thank you very much.
So as soon as you look through those documents and you sign back, you can just call me and I will put everything on file for you. You don't have to come into the office. Here's a document that these are some of the requirements that you need, and you just follow the steps that's here and you have them back to me. So these are, it might seem like it's a lot of documents, but believe me, I have done most of the paperwork.
You know, the hard work will pay off somehow.
Yeah, so these are the documents.
You know, it was coming, so I'm proud. You know?
Alright, but the best thing out of all this, you're officially registered, you have all the certificates, you have all the documentation.
So now we won't have any problems with any social workers.
I'm just doing my job, and you should be happy it's me.
I'm very much so happy.
Because if it wasn't me, somebody else would have come in, and with all the problems that the boys have given you, they would have removed them. I am concerned about Slicky because he seems like the little unruly one.
We need to change up how we are all seeing. The ball juice and the chicks, them now working up. So what you know? What you want to do?
Let's stop teeth.
Yeah, I work with that one, man.
Yeah.
But all you get tablet them for fix and sell them.
I remember
the teeth and tablet can't come, we can't buy new one to sell them.
Alright.
We can just stick with that plan here. We can just take people money and then buy.
No, brother, we can't take people
You can't
money.
thief.
But we can buy
But you can
things
thief for profit. You see me?
so we can buy things with them money.
Don't do that, man. You see little money we have left, we buy some boom, dragon, Heineken and them something and sell liquor.
So what you know? Slicky, you know the sort thing. You need to bring in more profit, you know.
Man, need more money come and watch him.
So bring in more new gadgets, better gadgets.
So we not watch two on now. Eh? So
we not get paid for that, you know.
Money not split with you, all of it. Equal share no harm to you, man.
Me I get $7,000 come and watch him.
$7,000
But
back
they can't get that,
yo,
brother.
sit up.
6 then.
Can start sell some more deer snacks.
Yeah, we are.
And some big on the funky shots.
So I understand that we are working. Yeah?
Best to go buy the stock then.
You just remember say the man want the tablet.
They lost their parents, and it's kind of hard for them to adjust to the situation. So we are putting in place for them to get more active in the community, you know, play basketball, you know, try to free their minds and just enjoy.
Okay. My concern is though, have you ever tried to seek counseling? Because I have in my department counselors that can counsel them. Also, I think that they should be mentor. You know, a male figure sometime in their life it brings out more and they can bond and stuff like that. You can take that into
you know,
consideration.
we just have to take it one step at a time for now, but so far so good.
Alright, no complaints.
No complaints.
Alright, I'm glad to hear that. Just sign up those documents and I'll come back and get them from you.
Okay, no problem.
Alright, thanks much. So how are you doing? How are you taking things?
I'm good. You know, of course I enjoy running this orphanage, hoping one day it will get bigger.
I know you have me at your side and I am in your life to stay, so I'll help you out as best as possible. So anything you need at all, anything, no matter what, day or night, just call me and I'll be here, okay?
No problem.
Alright. And remember, I love you very much. So
I love you too.
and keep up the good work.
I will.
I'm proud of you. Alright?
I wanna do that stuff. I wanna do that stuff. Come here. I wanna do that stuff. Uncle House. So I want to rock in my place already. Come in, man. That kind of guy station, man. You think I joke me and joke? Come in, man. You think you know? Where you come from?
The orphanage.
The orphanage.
Yeah.
The orphanage. You can call Mr. James, my friend, you know. Cause I don't know what to do with you, you know, youth. I don't know what to do with you, you know.
Orphanage. We have 2 brothers.
Hello? Yeah. Sir James. You know, so me catch 2 boys are broke in a mouse. I don't even know what to do with them. I told you to juvenile too, you know. You want to see them? Alright, me in on the way, you know. Me in on the way, man. Come in. Go on. I catch them 2 boys here. Catch them 2 boys here broke in a mouse. I thief out my things them. I thief out my things them.
Look on them, man.
Look on them. Look on them. I them are broken in my house from what day.
What you say I gotta do with them?
A station, I plan to bring them right now.
Jaja, man. I don't want to go to the station, man. I have to think about something else, man. I have to think about something else.
Them
Young,
young think about something
They're
else.
young, man.
I catch them a thief now.
So, I saw nobody. I saw nobody. Look on the young. I saw nobody. Answer me, no, man. My youth, you know, if you do them things, you know, my youth. I lock the man while I lock him up, you know. Where you come from? Where you come from? Take down your mask. The man, them body, man. Alright, here we go on now. What you say? See it there? You like it? That's why if you work, watch it. I think you want to from my watch my youth. My youth. That me I try to show on my youth. I have to go find something to do with my youth. You see it? I me a big fool in my youth. Won't apologize.
I'm sorry.
Where you are going to say, little man? What your name? Where you name?
No, I didn't speak.
Hold on, which part you come from? That more I know. Which part you come from?
The orphanage.
The orphanage. Which part is orphanage there? More I know which part this orphanage is.
Guess what now?
Want to show it?
Alright. We're going to make a run go around there.
Them time not occupy the right time. What do you mean you don't need a mentor? Right, that's all?
Yeah. Bami!
Hello?
Bami!
Hello?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Hello, where are you guys coming from? Go inside, I'll deal with you
Good
guys.
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon. Caught your boys coming out my house stealing. Right?
Stealing.
Yeah, I was just about to bring them to the police station.
Well,
Yeah,
I'm
because
glad you
I'm
took them here before you take them to the station because, you know, it's just us and, you know, we don't have any parents or any adults here. It's only me and I'm taking care of them. So I'm glad you took them here.
Alright, my name is Mr. James, Mr. Jim, and from the other day Mr. Jim has been losing a lot of money. And when he checked the level, he caught these two young men, but we heard that two more were there, but we don't know who they are. But what's going on right now is that Mr. Jim is willing to give them a chance, and under one condition, if they're willing to enroll in the sport activity that we have on the ball field. Yeah.
You know, I think it's a great idea because I actually want them to, you know, stay off the road and get more active in the community.
Yeah, that
also.
would be a good idea because I'm willing to fund everything and ensure that everything goes well.
Okay, I think that's a great idea. You both can.
Alright, and you said your name was?
Bami.
Miss Bami.
Alright.
Have a wonderful
Hold on
day.
then. You know, some I forgot to tell her the date when I go come back for them.
True. Turn back because we didn't set the date today. We want to make it tomorrow around 9 o'clock, if that's okay with you.
Sure, no problem.
Alright? Not a problem.
So see you guys tomorrow.
Let's have a wonderful day. Sorry for the interruption.
Sorry
No
about the
problem.
You
interruption.
have yourself.
You know, say, you need to start bringing more goods because the bug juice and something where I say, no, I really give it that
Nah,
much
cut
money.
it no more. We need to find a new thing to build a business.
Wait, when I start with our plan, so I got them next.
Man, just come off and then, you see money we have. You
No,
know,
we
buy
not
some
gonna
new
get
and
it. We
better
not
food,
gonna
you see me,
get
and sell that for
That's
more
what I
money.
can get.
Buy more, you see me, I say, you see why little weed we have, Bami not too know, but we can add wizard upon that and sell it to as a little special, you see me, I
Yeah,
say.
brother.
I'll buy up some buckler, boom, and big on them. something
Yeah,
and
brother.
sell it.
More
All
money.
them
Like.
things, but it costs enough money, but it worth
But we
it.
can still steal people money and get more
I'm not
money.
going to find the weed deal about. No worry about that part there.
But
Just
we
worry
can
about the
steal
tablet
people
and the
money.
bag juice and the snack thing, you see me?
But we can steal people money
worry,
and get
bro.
more money.
Bill off of that, man.
Feel no, brother.
Bill off of that.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
After.
So what the young man them a deal with?
Government,
So they just there so sit down sir and do nothing.
they are reason, man. That's
One
what
are
it is.
reasonable.
Look at business, we are trying to work on.
Business. So we're not going to school.
School, you know, say school not make free.
By the way, let me introduce myself. My name is Mr. James. What's your name?
Jazzy.
What's your name?
Bag juice.
Hold on. Now, only about the other day around so. When the man hold on pound. So, what do you mean accident? By the way, when you say when you come from the orphanage, one has the bigger one, them have the man them out there, so just a linger some of you.
Get a piece of the work.
Brother,
yes, sir.
a big thing a go on the road in a brother. Look around on a brother. Life nothing a brother. Now
Yeah,
sit down
see,
yourself.
but them government, they know
What you
to
mean,
protect
man, them
themselves, we are
government?
teach them.
You know why I
They
hear
have
that?
to know the street,
Make
they
me
have to
ask
go in it,
you.
understand
Make me
it,
ask you.
man.
What type of talent you have? Start with you first. Jazzy.
Can do a little sports, you know, sir.
What kind of sports you can do?
Basketball.
Where you can do?
See them basketball.
Where you can do, Tommy? Where you can do? Football. Alright. Now I got try with the whole four. You see tomorrow,
No. No.
9 o'clock?
No.
What you mean no? Just hear me out. Slick, hear me out, man. As me I say, no, don't do that. Them mind up. The whole around the day I say, you don't have talent, I would like to see the man them go back to school. I'm young. And that's what me I say. So if we take the offer, I'm off, we come show us. Alright, the orphanage up the road they're talking, right?
Yeah.
So you see tomorrow, 9 o'clock, I can come at the orphanage and I can talk to Bami, the person in charge. And so I get the update from there, so after that, we know what to do, because I can't make no talent to you. So I would like to see police come hurt, you know. All you look how you're young and bad. Now if you go away now, you know when you tell your friend, you know, so want to deal with people, man. So what want to do for you hustling?
Sell
Bag juice, my youth. Bag juice, you don't want to sell, brother. You don't want in the office. You don't want there under AC, dog. My son now have to catch on the skin, my youth.
Start a small business, work.
My youth, but you can't start a small business and you're not in education, brother. You have to go back to school. My youth, I don't want to hear that. But let me tell the them still. Tomorrow 9 o'clock, I come link you. So I come link you tomorrow. You see, from there, so we know what to do. Alright? I have an agreement.
Yeah, man.
Alright, let's see how heard them. So man them, you bless up on yourself, I head out. Alright?
Girl, I have a name, my name Naomi.
You know say all about it near don't answer the place. I don't want any business.
Like it now, take you not flush the toilet.
And I may say smelling socks.
No girl, that's disgusting.
Oh my god. If Bami ever smell that you job.
It's because of Bami, you know, that's why we are cleaning the place.
Or a lot of them don't have any parents, no home, so it's a very good look for the youth.
Yes. And about school. How about school?
You know, I wanted Tommy and Slicky to go to the same school knowing that they're brothers. I don't want them to be separated.
Any school in specific?
Not as it.
Yeah. Alright. Well, I got a couple links. I can make a couple calls and see what I can do for them. Because most definitely, we got to get these kids off the street so they don't turn to do the bad stuff. You know what I mean? So yeah, most definitely, I'm ready.
Anyways, you know what juice?
Yeah, how about
Bag
you?
juice and my man, I like the boy.
Really?
Yes. You there?
Get all of them information, document work and paperwork's done. Then you get back to me. I'ma leave my number with you so you could call me and contact with me. Most definitely.
Okay, no problem.
You can't think about that, you know? You know how Bami see you.
Yawa, in farmer?
No, but me I say we have things then we have a school, our local education for focus on. You can't think about
Anyways, girl, go and go wash your cup.
Okay.
Bami? Hello? Hello? How are you? I'm good. I'm back with good news. I got all the paperwork, all the documents, and everything is sorted out.
Lovely. Well, I have somebody for you to meet. And the boys are currently playing football, but you'll get more information on it.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah guys, so it's today. You guys enjoy yourself now. Yeah. Oh man, you must sweaty man. So we say LA Lakers, Chicago. Nuggets. You see them big sign there. Go try to man of the day, you know. That man of the day, you know.
Hello guys.
Well, today was an excellent day. Come now guys, come get your...
So, did you guys enjoy yourselves?
Very much.
Not too much fun. If we get to burger,
Right.
Okay, so you guys go inside
Hey,
now.
look who's
And
back.
who's here?
Miss Bunny, hello.
Hey. Are you behaving yourself? I heard that you got in trouble.
Oh yeah, he got me.
Why are you still giving trouble to this man?
They are good now. They are good now. It was an excellent day today at the bar. Because hello, Miss Bunny. Good afternoon.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
You guys go on inside. We're gonna have a talk.
Guys, clap yourself. Wonderful day today at the training field. One of the match. Hello.
Where is the other young man that was supposed to be here?
Mr. Jim?
Yeah, I'm here.
Alright, I am gonna need all the things that I said, and first I'm gonna have to have a talk with this young man to get some things out of the way, and you can just check on them for me later. Just get familiar with this one. No problem. I don't understand what you're saying, you know. I am it's really out of context right now. I'm a social worker and I'm here trying to get this orphanage up and running and everything, and out of the blues I came back with all of the credential and stuff like that, and I met a young man say that his friend they're gonna help out and all of that.
Dream you're talking about?
Yeah.
But one question, what are you doing after all these years? After all these years, you just show up back out of nowhere. Now you're a social worker. You left my heart in pieces and now you showed up back here. Let me just ask you, do you know Bami? How long do you know Bami?
I met Bami a couple months ago, and what's that concern to you?
A couple months ago, I thought you were in a different parish or something. Last time I heard about you was around...
Just stop. Just stop.
What the hell is...
Just stop. I don't really need this right now, and I need to sort out a lot of things. So whatever your plan is, whatever you guys are doing here, I need to check you out thoroughly, because I can't.
You already know about me. What about you? Does anyone know your little dirty secret?
Bami?
Hey, Miss Bami, what's up?
What's all the noise out here? Like, what's going on?
I think someone needs to do some explaining to you, right?
What's going on?
This is kind of hard for me to say to you right now, because I am so flustered right now. But remember when I met you a couple months ago and I said that I'm your biological mom? And I told her that I've been through a lot and I couldn't keep you, and we didn't get through to the point where we have discussed everything.
Yeah.
And today,
This man, so you know Mr. James?
yes, unfortunately I do, and I am really sorry to say this.
You are my
Somebody answer what's going on.
You are what, daughter?
This is your father.
Bami?
So, what are you saying?
Oh my God. My God, my
You
God,
showed
my
up
God.
here saying you're my mother. Now you're telling me my dad's alive?
So sorry.
We didn't even.
No, don't apologize. Where were
This
you?
is all your fault. You showed up here. If you didn't
How
show
is
up,
this supposed
none
to
of
be
this
my
wouldn't
fault?
happen.
When I showed up
I was
with
looking
with
for her
you,
for over years now, and she wouldn't even try to reach out to me.
just shut up! I was in a vulnerable situation and you know what happened. You knew what happened, and after that, what did you do? I was left in a mental institution to deal with all my stress and all my problems.
mom-
And then what?
Her mom was the
I
issue.
found out that I'm pregnant and then you vanished. I gave up my child. Stop.
My God,
Both
I'm so
of you,
sorry.
stop.
I'm so sorry.
Stop.
My head is not right here right now. I would like to come back the other day and see if that's okay with you. Is that okay with you, Bami? Just
I
to
need some
explain it.
time to process all of this. I had the orphanage dealing with my mom. Well, my adopted mom passed. Now you're telling me I have a mom who is alive and a father.
She is the one who caused this problem.
Stop blaming people. Take the blame for yourself. Where were you? Why didn't you search for me?
I was trying to reach out to her, but she
You didn't try hard.
see what you call it.
Just shut up.
Why did he come? Why did he come in?
I came here because I'm a social worker and I deal with kids. I came here and I saw her birth certificate and then I realized that she was adopted and I recognized the name there. You have no reason to be here.
So right now I'm in a depression state. Right? Can I please come back the other day and see you right now?
You both can leave.
See what you call it?